Hey everyone, haven't posted one of these in a while, so we're just going to take a video. These are our TLS caliper kit. These have been spec'd for a Honda Civic. They come powder coated, any color of your choice. Some colors do require additional small materials fee charge. These are done in candy red, and the calipers are modified for direct bolt-on installation onto various Honda and Acura 5-lug vehicles. You get all brand new hardware, pad pins, the brand new set of bolts, the spring clip for the pads, new bleeders. Calipers are brand new, ready to install out the box. Just basically supply your own pads and rotors. For most applications, you will need the Acura TL Type S spec rotors and pads, and for certain applications, Honda S2000, other rear-wheel drive vehicles, just contact us. We also have more information on our page as to what rotors to fit with those vehicles. But as far as front-wheel drive Honda 5-lug, just get TLS pads, TLS rotors with our caliper kit, bolt them on, you're good to go. If you're interested in ordering this, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. There's a landing page for this product, and you can purchase online. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach us through our email or phone number listed on our website. Thanks.